the truth. Keep on pushing, get it right. Never gonna stop till I reach a light. Living it up while I live this life. Repping the game and I feel so right.
What's up, guys? Jay with Daily Delinquency here, back with some more entertainment for your eye sockets. And today we're going to a car show and we have a special surprise. We are meeting up with my boy David, and he just bought a secret weapon. He's got a surprise car he just picked up. It's a dream car he's always wanted. So we're gonna go check it out, take it for a ride, and go to the car show. This is a car show by Lotus of Tampa. It's a good group, good turnout. So stay tuned. So I see you brought your toy.
Right.
What? Dude, that's so crazy in person. I can't believe you actually got one of these.
I know, me neither. Finally got it.
We reaching for the sky, and yeah, one day we'll fly. I told my brother Jay that we all gon' be fun. He asked me, can we shine? I said, yeah, it's our time. He was like, dreams so big, gotta take it. We brought it to the top, and I know they gonna hate it. The niggas we just hate, all the ones who's gonna face it. We gonna beat the pace, like my nigga, yeah, we racing. Yeah, dreams so big, gotta take it. We're doing our thing, man, I know we gonna make it. Some people say they're right, but I know that they just fake it. We chasing our dreams, man, I swear that we gon' take it. Yeah.
All right, guys, we made it to the car show. It's a bigger turnout than there was last time. There's no parking though. We both took illegal parking spots this time.
Look at that.
Parking is ours today. That's right. And we're a little bit late because I took us about 20 minutes out of the way the wrong direction. Whoops.
Man, you got a bunch of love bugs out
I
there.
know, we both are covered.
For those of you who don't know what love bugs are, you're lucky because they splatter and stick all over to your car.
They ruin your paint.
Yeah, and they ruin your paint. They're everywhere. Look at them all.
If I need help, nobody gon' save. Never only person I'm talking to lately. Rocking these shirts with a thought it was slavery. I'm going crazy. I hop in the water cause you know I'm wavy. I need a hero, can somebody save me? Got 99 problems, don't know I ain't Jay-Z, yeah. I know they hate me, cops trying to catch me. If I need help, nobody gon' save me. Never only person I'm talking to lately. Rocking these shirts with a thought it was slavery. I'm going crazy. I hop in the water cause you know I'm wavy. I need a hero, can somebody save me? Got 99 problems, don't know I ain't Jay-Z, yeah.
Talk about standing out in the car show. Mr. David thought he was going to stand out with his Viper, but there's 3 Vipers here and only 1 Camaro. So, guys, we're here with Joe and his Ferrari. He's going to show us around. What year is it?
This is a 2014. It's a 458 Spider. 458 Italia Spider.
Nice.
Had it 18 months.
Nice.
Bought it with 7,000 miles. It has 32,000 miles now.
Nice. A guy that likes to drive his car, that's what I'm talking about. Ooh, he's got the bloody interior. I love it. Look at that. Can you hold that for me, please? Look at that. All red interior, beautiful.
Help yourself, take a seat.
Beautiful, beautiful.
You know the rule. You have to get one of these while you're still young enough to get in and out of it.
That's already getting tough. 458 Spider. What year is it again, Joe?
2014.
2014, beautiful.
Yeah, so this is the Manatino switch.
Okay.
In rain, you put it on wet, and the computer helps you not lose control of the car in the rain.
Nice.
Sport, the computer helps you if you get a little bit crazy.
Right on.
In race, the computer doesn't involve itself near as much and lets you wind it out.
I see you like that one the best.
That's where I leave it. And the other 2 settings are little by little, you just completely eliminate the computer.
Gotcha.
And upshift and downshift paddles.
Right on.
Turn signals are here and there. Lights.
Oh wow, right here.
Wiper, engine start. And this is, it's a stiff car, so that's a softening of the suspension.
Gotcha. Now, do you have any modifications done to this?
Zero.
Zero stock, huh?
Ferrari folk don't modify.
Gotcha.
Not really.
Okay. Not
too much.
Okay.
Not too much.
What? How's it sound?
There you go. Foot on the brake. And then press engine start.
Hold it or just tap it?
Just until it starts.
It's nice. It's nice for stock.
Give it some juice.
Okay. We're in park, right? Okay. He said give it some juice. I like that. That sounds good. Want to hear it again, guys? One more time. Ready?
Here. There's a button on the right there.
Okay.
And the black button looks like a window. The black button on the left.
Yep. Oh, there we go.
Now try it again.
Oh, now try it again, he says. Oh. I like that. That's fun.
That's what that window's for.
I gotcha. Joe, thank you very much, my friend.
Sure.
Very cool. Oh, this is a tough one to get out of. I'm used to that.
Wait till you're my
doors.
age.
Appreciate you showing us, man. Beautiful car. Joe hates showing people his cars and talking about them, as you can see. So Leah stayed up until, what was it? Midnight last night, helping me finish the Camaro. And without her, I wouldn't have been able to finish it. So I wanted to bail. I wanted to give up and call it a night and just go to the car show without finishing it. But she insisted we finish it. We're almost done, we're almost done. So we stayed up all night and got it finished. Let me show you guys what it looks like.
I hit the jackpot, you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch plots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. Hold the wrist, I had to get the bag. Ice on my wrist, diamonds move a lag. Never switching position, that's what money be in my bag. Gotta thank God for all the shit that I got, I never had. Now that I'm in it, I got a ball, roll to the wrist, and downs I froze. She wanna fuck, vamonos, taking it down, dominoes. Then kick it out, adios. Stacking the bread, loud the door, hold the wrist though. Don't know where the switch though. Got my bands up, think I need a brain stroke. We keep it lit, I can't let these niggas miss.
I never waste a whole time. Bitch, I'm on my own time. Fuck a nigga, call sign. Always check the number in my phone line. Baby girl, I don't lie. Used to have no money for a crib. Now my room service bill cost your whole life. If they try to sell me, I go all out military. I'm camoed all out like I'm in.
That is awesome. Holy shit. Oh my god.
You like it?
Yeah.
You're gonna get one in the Mustang when you get one?
Oh yeah.
If you guys want to know the specs of what's been done to the car or the specs of the system, I will put it up on the screen now, and you can pause that and check it out so I won't bore you with the details.
Then kick it out, adios. Stacking the bread, loud the door, hold the wrist though. Don't know where the switch though. Got my bands up, think I need a brain stroke. We keep it lit, I can't let these niggas miss us. Talking crazy.
Oh, it's her. That's who brought the Tesla this time.
Lambo's still in the hospital.
I was like, I wonder if she's gonna bring a Lambo this time. She likes to make an appearance, and then I see you hop out of this. Linda, right?
Yes.
How you been?
Good.
Good. So this is the Tesla, huh? Love the white interior. Hers is white too. Beautiful. I love the white and black. You ever seen the Model X in person?
Yeah, in that shop.
Oh, okay. It's like the Lotus that has the real high. Right.
Lotus is not like the
No, Lotus is way worse. Yeah. I actually lost my phone in the Lotus and left, didn't know the guy's phone number, and hurried back, and thank God he was pulling out and he had my phone. All right, this is my first ride in a Viper. And this is David's first time driving it. No, I'm playing. You guys hear that cam? Woo! 8-liter V10. David said it was either getting this car or the new Vet, the Z06, and I think he made the right decision because there was all kinds of Vets at the car show, and like he just said, you see them all over the road, but you don't see Vipers that often, and I don't think it's a driving experience like this. This car is how old now? It's a 97? 96, and it still hasn't lost its nostalgia. This thing's a beast, and it's super fun to drive in, so I think he made the right decision. What do you think? Definitely?
Definitely. If you can do it, do it.
Yeah, exactly. If you can afford to get the car that you want to get or make it happen, do it. Do it. Don't listen to me financially, but if you can make it happen safely and comfortably, do it. I do it even when I can't do it comfortably and financially safe.
You only live once.
Exactly.
You never know when you're gonna die. Anything can happen tomorrow, but if you can buy the car.
Watch out for that truck. Ah, see, you never know.
Yeah, I love you. I will use you for you. Why would you do the things you do? Yeah, I love you.
As you guys can see, I beat David from 0 to 60 by just a little bit. Anything over 60 miles an hour from a rolling start, David absolutely destroys me in the Viper. That's how these two powerhouses differ. My car's geared for drag racing. It's an automatic, bigger gears, and higher shift points, dyno tuned. David's car is geared for the track, it's a manual, and it absolutely shows. Both of these cars are geared for different aspects of racing. Both of these cars are powerhouses, and both of these cars are very unique. All right, guys, that was epic, a lot of fun. Car show was lit, Viper is dope, super happy for David, and all his puppies are really cute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Tell me what you want to see in the comments for the next video. We out.
Rockstar lifestyle is tatted on my brain. I'ma bring the dollars, let Obama bring the change.
See me, I'm the type that cries for mine, and what I want don't grow on trees. The way I'm living, I'ma die to shine, and bigger things is what I need.